What's up, everyone? Have you been looking for a small, lightweight toy hauler? 15.5 foot long, only 1,980 pounds? Well, I've got the one for you. This right here is a 2024 Sunset Park Sunray 139T. Let's check this camper out. Let me know what you think. Make sure you stick around to see why the heck I'm coming out of the closet. Here is the 139T by Sunset Park, weighing in at 2120, the dry hitch weight at 205, cargo carrying capacity at 1,840, the length at 15 foot 5 inches, height 8 foot 9 inches, interior height 6 foot 1, exterior width 8 foot 6, and freshwater, gray water, black water, 36 fresh, no gray, and 28 gallons black. The cargo capacity in this with the happi-jac system is 44 inches wide by 65 inches high by 112 inches long. Let's go around this camper and check it out thoroughly. Okay, let's start right up front. Right on the front we have a manual tongue jack that you can be used by a drill or you can do it manually. Comes with a 2-inch ball, removable footprint, 7-pin round wiring with an electric brake and the breakaway brake. Comes with a 20-pound propane tank, a spare tire underneath this storage grate that we can use to put our coolers on or anything else. Now we're going over to our battery disconnect switch to turn on the power to the camper. Each corner has a stabilizer jack. Right here is our furnace exhaust, and into our stickers about our information with our axles and our VIN, our weights. Now we're going into the outside shower. This comes with hot and cold water and has the spigot just to start spraying hot, cold. Over next to this is going to be our sink drain. Inside there's a sink that you can drain right there. Right there are going to be shower brackets for the shower box. And then we have our gutter system with our ladder rack and our roof rack with a walkable roof and a 100-watt solar panel up top. Fire escape window here. Satellite or aux cord here. Coaxial cord. Right here's our dump station for our gray water. That is going to be for our drains. Nice off-road tire package. Now we're going on to the back side where you'll see this beautiful ramp door, the bed setup. We'll be in there in a second. Right here is our fresh water fill where we're filling a fresh water tank and using our water pump, then into the city water connection where we're at a campground or at the household with pressurized water. Here is our 6-gallon gas water heater. Then we're into a 30-amp power plug. That's where the power plug plugs in. Now let's go over onto the curbside, which you'll see this beautiful outside kitchen with the bag awning, the 5,000 BTU air conditioner. And now let's go into the outside kitchen with the cabinetry above and a light above that. Oh, why isn't that light working? Because I didn't turn on the switch. There it is. Bam. Alright, the other switch down there is for the water pump. Here is going to be our 2-burner stove. That's a propane stove. 120 volt plugs down below. Plastic sink with a sink cover. Storage below the sink. Propane outlet down below for external propane if you want to hook up a grill. And right here is a nice 12 volt. I think it's 3.3 cubic feet, but it is a 12 volt fridge with a freezer section. Everybody loves that separate freezer door. Close it, latch it. And now I want to point out that we have this screen door here. Step to get in. As soon as we enter, we'll see the fire extinguisher, Storage down below with all of our accessories. Microwave. Countertop above with our Bluetooth speaker. And a plug. On the other side of the countertop, we have our sink and storage wherever we could put it. Plug inside of there as well. Down below is the blower heater blower. Below the sink, we'll see our PEX tubing in there. Alright, now we're going into our bed system and all of our controls. Over here is our bed buttons, our thermometer, thermostat, and our solar controller, and then our complete master controls. This gives us our lights, our tank levels. That's how you operate the bed. I will go through this whole bed system with you here in a second. Raise it and lower it as needed. You can take out this bunk system if you'd like. Alright, so first you want to completely lower the bed. It does take a second. Oh, now we're all the way lowered down at this stage. This is where we have the bunk down below, the bed up top. We have that whole shelf above for us. We can change this around if we want to, but this is the traditional setup that comes standard. Now we're putting this bunk back up. That bunk will go right against the bed, in which the bed will then follow up into the roof. We can alter this and take out the bunk completely so it's not there. And then we can also bring the bed so the bed is actually where the bunk is. That way you're getting your bed lower if you'd like, however you want to make it work. Basically all we're doing is switching the brackets around and the beds and cushions around. And I can stand up in there and walk through, so you could easily get the four-wheelers in there, motorcycles, dirt bikes, and all we have to do is switch around these pins and the brackets to make that happen, depending on what you're going to be using it for. Alright, now that we're at the end, I do want to talk about this cool feature that they have in this camper. Yes, it's a small floor plan, but a lot of people want a bathroom or a toilet. You know, sometimes it's just mentally easier that way or less stressful knowing that I have a bathroom to use if I need it. So what they did was actually took a toilet and put it right in the closet. So you have your wardrobe above you, there's a light above us, and there's an actual toilet that I'm sitting on. So right there is an actual plumb toilet. Wow, that actually looks yellow, but I assure you it's never been used. Right there's a wardrobe bar and the light. One unique feature that everybody loves to talk about on this 139T. Hey, we've made it to the end of the video together. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for coming. Do me a huge favor. If you like these kind of videos, I have weekly uploads and would greatly appreciate you if you hit that subscribe button in the corner. So keep on coming back. Thanks for watching.